Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SD card into this device. So to get started, you'll want to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. Or you can also use a paper clip, straighten one on the ends, and it should work just as well. So anyway, the tray is located on the same side as the buttons, as you can see. So it's either on the top or the right side, depending on how you hold the device. So once you find it, push the pin in, and the tray just pops out ever so slightly, enough for you to take it out. Now on the tray, we actually also have a space for SIM card. So I'm gonna grab that as well. There we go. And you can obviously place the SIM card on one side. So right here where it's space is for it, and then if we flip it over, we have a space for our SD card. Now this, unlike the SIM card, will go not like with the chip side facing up, but actually down. And there we go. Make sure that both cards are laying flush on the tray. As you can see, they should not be falling out of it, and from there we can just insert it back into our device. Now these cards should start working immediately, which as you can see, they are. So there's the pin for my SIM card. I'll quickly confirm it to unlock it. There we go. So SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is working as well, which you can see right here based on that icon. And when you pull down your notification, you'll have a new notification with SIM card inserted option. So there we go. That's basically how you would insert SIM and SD card into this, not phone, but tablet. And anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.